This is how it looks like now. And I'm gonna try to change that. Let's get to business. Well guys, this is how it is supposed to look like after I'm done with it. I decided to peel off the tips of there are these metal guides that where the valves are moving in. These are the holes for the tail of the valve, and they look like this in original. They stick out, but I decided to peel them off like this, and I don't know if it is a smart idea, but I'm gonna repeat this process on all the cylinders because they look like this, and I don't like it. I think if I peel them off like this, it is gonna be way better for the engine. It is gonna increase the amount of air that comes through this port. So I'm gonna continue filing them down, and I'm gonna repeat the process on the exhaust ports as well, and I'm gonna show you the end result, and we'll see together how this is gonna affect the performance of the car, and how it is gonna be for the end result. But have a lot of filing to do. I'm using this grinding tool, and grinding, it is probably better, probably the correct term for this, so I'm using this type of tool, and I'm gonna use these as well. So this is it for now. I'm gonna continue working on this. This is the other side of the ports. I'm gonna start grinding this side now. So far I'm doing okay. I'm hoping that I don't have to grind much longer before I'm done with this side, so I can start on this side. Hey guys, I have just prepared one of the chambers, one of the ports, and I think this is gonna be my goal for the rest of them. You can see how rough they look like before. There are some edges, some uneven surfaces that are preventing the flow of air to get as quick as possible, as many air as possible in the cylinder. So I'm gonna try, and I'm gonna smooth it out like on this side. I think it looks so much better, and it is gonna increase the amount of air that goes into the cylinder. So I'm gonna continue with the other cylinders as well. So hopefully this is gonna change the way that this engine performs. So I'm starting to get anxious. Let's go.